if I could go back to my younger self and say just one thing about skincare, it will be this. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chisom Emeka here, your skincare bestie, and today I'm going to be sharing something very personal and very real. If you've ever felt frustrated with your skin or you're confused about what actually works for you, this is for you. I'm sharing 7 things I really wish I knew before I started my skincare journey. Things that would have saved me the time, the money, the frustration. Damn. So grab your water, your skincare journal, or just sit back and listen because we're diving in right now. Let's keep right into it because some of these lessons were hard, but they changed everything for me. Yeah. Number one, and please don't skip this because I learned the hard way. More products does not equal better skin. It doesn't. I used to think that if I layered up to, 5 serums, 2 cleansers, different oils, that my skin was going to transform overnight. Jokes on me. The way I had irritations and breakouts, nobody told me. Oh, truth is, your skin does not actually need everything, every product. Your skin doesn't need it. It just needs the right product used consistently. And trust me, those right products might actually be two, sometimes three, sometimes 4 products. You don't need to use up to 10 products on your face. Just use the right two, the right three consistently. And trust me, minimalist skincare is not boring. Who said that? Who said it was boring? Minimalist skincare is not boring at all, and it's very effective. Number two, skincare is a journey. It's not a quick fix. It's not magic. Funny enough, before I started my skincare journey, then I just expected, you know, clear, glowing skin in like 1 week. Then if I get a skincare product, I'll just give myself 1 week. If I don't see after that 1 week, if I don't see that glowy, sparkly skin, I'm on to the next. But girl, I learned to know that skincare, like results, the results you're like wanting takes weeks, takes months sometimes, depending on what you want to treat. So just learn to be patient. You're not failing, you're just healing slowly, and that's okay too, trust me. So just give yourself a realistic skincare timeline. Stop thinking 3 days or 1 week. Remove your mind from that one. Number three, skin type matter. Mm, skin type matter, guy. I never even knew that I actually have a normal skin. Then I remember then in school, there's this my friend I saw. I liked her skin. I'm like, babe, what are you using? She just told me it's just this. I said, okay, cool. I ran to go and buy my own because this is a girl that I knew like she was dark. All of a sudden, her skin is looking all popping and all that. I rushed to go and get my own. Trust me, jeez. I didn't know her skin type. I didn't even think of skin type. Trust, I just felt it's gonna work beautifully for me. It showed me shaggy, premium shaggy. The thing is that you should just know your skin type first. That's like the foundation of a very good skincare routine. Knowing your skin type. If you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, whichever one it is you have, just make sure you know your skin type before starting a skincare routine. Chickena. Now, that brings me to my number four. Happy? She wearing number four now. Cheap products doesn't mean safe. Doesn't mean they are safe at all. Let's go back to that my friend I told you about in the, in the number three reason. Number three stuff I thought like I wish I knew. No one bites in my mouth. Okay, but let's go. that stuff I told you that I got, that my friend said that's what she's using, and it was like I liked it on her skin. It was looking good actually. It was affordable, like it was cheap. So I was like, ah, that's a plus. Hmm. I rushed to get it, and the worst part is, as I saw that first 3 days, my face is already getting lighter, and it was looking all. This is gonna hit. I said, okay, Chisom, go and get the remaining one. I got the that was the body lotion. What she told me to get was just the face cream. Oh. But see why I see they use just the face cream. I went to get the face. I started using the face cream. I loved the results. I went to get the body lotion. I got the body soap. There's something else it had I bought. It was like basically the sets. I just went to rush it because one, it was not even expensive. Just all these small things. It was not expensive. So I was like, that is it. Little did I know that I was preparing my skin for a bad skincare damage. Trust me. It was bad. Like my skin, it was fine the first 2 3 weeks, but after that, after the glow, I never bothered checking ingredients. Nah. As far as I saw, it worked on my friends. I didn't even bother checking ingredients. I just started using it, and those products were so harsh on my skin. I learned the hard way. Oh, I learned the hard way, guys. So right now, before I get any skincare product, the way I do my research, I check the ingredients, I check for reviews online, I check for their certifications before anything touches my skin now. So I advise you to do same too. So down to number 5. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. It's funny how I'm saying this now, but then I skipped sunscreen for years. Like, when did this sunscreen brouhaha even start? Like, what am I using sunscreen to do in university or in secondary school? So just crazy. Like, I was feeling dark skin now. Sun no they affect us. it was bad. But you see, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and even uneven skin too. A lot of that would have been avoided if I use my SPF. Trust me. Now to my number 6. Natural doesn't always mean better. In the DIY, I'm talking to you. I used to do all these DIY marks, mixing oils at home and doing that. But my skin barrier was begging me, please stop. One thing you should know is that not everything natural is safe for your skin. Yes. Some of all these DIY, like it will clog your pores badly or even cause reactions. The thing is, natural is good. Well, sorry, excuse me. The thing is, natural is good, but having the knowledge about those things before you do them is better. Now to number 7. Your inner health. It actually reflects what's like how your skin looks. Trust me. My biggest glow up actually started when I started taking care of what goes into my skin. Yes, I feel better. I drank water and poured water on my dress, so I'm just conscious about it now. But that aside, I started feeling way better when I started taking care of what goes into into my system, not just what I apply on my skin. And it was the difference was so clear. It was so clear. You see your sleep. If you know you don't sleep, start sleeping. Sometimes I know it's not easy because of work and all that. You deprive yourself of sleep for so many reasons, but it shows on your skin. Like it affects your skin. It's not only about applying products on your skin. How do you take care of yourself from inside? That's another thing entirely. So your sleep routine, you change it. You try to sleep better. Try to give yourself more, rest time. Also, your vitamins, your supplements, your omega 3s. The thing is that if you're especially, it's good you can start taking vitamin from any age. But you see, when you're in your late 20s, approaching your 30s, you should be on strict. supplements, strict supplements, and you will see the way you'll be looking so youthful and so young. You get so make sure you take supplements, you take your omega 3s, and your skin will do the talking, not only skincare products. Also, learn how to manage stress no matter all the products, no matter how expensive you buy skincare products. If you are still stressing yourself, it's going to show, like, and it's going to show bad. Your skin is going to look dull, like you might even have eye bags and all that. So try and learn how to manage your stress. So those are the 7 things I truly wish I knew earlier. But I'm glad I get to share them with you now. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and share it with your skincare sisters. And let me know in the comments what's one skincare mistake you've made that has taught you a lesson. Let's keep the conversation going.